This video covers tools and supplies to have on hand for an ATMOX installation. The following tools that are not supplied by ATMOX are recommended: drill or hammer drill, staple gun, hammer, wire stripping tool, caulk gun, pliers, wire cutter, utility knife, level, flathead screwdriver, 3/16" masonry drill bit, number 2 Phillips screw bit, 5/8" extended length masonry drill bit, 3" screw bit extender, and 5/8" extended length wood drill bit. ATMOX components ship with the items and tools that connect the products together. Due to different types of construction, the hardware necessary to attach components to a structure are not included. Here are some of the items you may need during your installation: silicone caulk, 3/16" anchors for mounting to masonry, assorted screws for mounting to wood, including a number 6 by 1" screw to mount inside sensor, assorted screws and anchors for mounting to drywall, electrical staples, polypropylene hanging strap. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.